Hello kids, welcome back to channel Toddler intro numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the Kelly. Black Kelly, Red Kelly, Gray Kelly, Orange Kelly, Green Kelly, Blue Kelly, Purple Kelly, White Print Kelly, Yellow Ochre Kelly, Light Gray Kelly, and Yellow Kelly. Kids, now you draw one and use yellow color. For Q, gets now you draw three and use red color. Free. For Gipsy, now you draw five and use green color. Green color. Five, 6, 7. Gipsy, now you draw 8 and use black color. 8, 9. Kids, so now you draw 10 and use gray color. 10. Kids, so now you draw 11 and use acrylic. 11. 2. Gets a now you draw tarting and hue is white brinkley. Tartine. 14. Gets a now you draw 15 and hue is blinkly. 15. 16. It's so now you draw 17 and use orange color. 17. 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use publicly. 19. Last you draw 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.